What's going on, guys? It's Eric here from Dose VT, bringing you guys another video. This time I am lucky to get a hold of the Oculus Go. So this is the new thing Oculus came out with, instead of using like the Oculus Rift, which is only for like your computer. So if you have a computer and you're like gaming VR, definitely go that way. And if you don't have a Samsung phone or if you don't have a Google phone, then you're kind of screwed because iPhone doesn't really have anything on their side. So if you're the type of person that has an iPhone and you want VR content, this is the way to go. I have the 64 gigabyte model. I was thinking about getting the 32, but I realized that I'll probably download a lot more things and I probably think I will, so I'll probably need more space, stuff like that, and just go safer with the 64 than the 32. But I'll let you guys know in a future video of actually how much gigabytes I use, depending on how many like apps and all the other good stuff that I install and I keep on there to like look up information and stuff like that. But let's unbox this puppy and see what's inside. So basically what is nifty about the Oculus Go is that you don't have to use a phone, like using all the Samsung stuff, like the Gear VR, stuff like that. Like, you have to use your phone in there, which isn't the best thing in the world, because your phone will get hot. I did have the Gear VR, and it made my Samsung Galaxy Note 5 get really hot. But anyways, just to show you guys what's inside the box here, this is the top padded foam, just to make sure everything stays nice and comfortable. Actually, I should probably go over what's on the side here. So you have QHD resolution, you have built-in audio, you have VR web browsing, 3D movies with friends, 360 view and photos, live entertainment and content, then Oculus Go on that side. So what comes in the box is obviously the headset, the controller, obviously, power adapter, 2 AA batteries, and glasses spacer, which is basically if you wear glasses, it just goes in there to help like not press your glasses up against your face. It gives you a little bit more cushion, but basically that's it, and the logo on top and all the good stuff on front. But so this is how it comes straight out of the box. So I'll put that off to the side for right now. Then there's the controller. Put that off to the side right now. So basically there's nothing else inside of here. Absolutely nothing else. You can see what it is on the back. It just shows some apps that you can do. You can call people. And down here it says watch, play, hang out, comfortability and lightweight. Basically 3D imaging, stuff like that. So there's the bottom of that box. So what's inside the miniature little box we got here? So you got your power brick. That is USB plug-in right there. Then you got your little rubber seal, which is basically, I believe, for your glasses. That's what you're going to put in there. Then you take this little small box out, and you get your AA battery, which is for the controller. On the other side, you get your little string here. Let's see if I can get this string out. And then on the other side, you get the string, which will connect to your hand, then obviously the remote so you don't throw it in any of the games you play. That's basically all that's inside that box. So to open up this box, you pull this out, you get your cable here, so USB, then micro USB is what you're going to use to charge. You got your little microfiber cloth, keep that in there. Then you got all your paperwork and all that good stuff, but none of that stuff's important. So put all this stuff back in here, and then put all that back into there. So we got all that, that's out of the way. Charging brick out of the way, we don't need that. Probably don't need that. Keep that stuff off to the side. Close this up. Alright, so just to show you guys, this is what the controller is right here. So on here, I'm guessing this is probably your home button, then your back button, then you got your touchpad. but you'll feel for your finger. Then you got a trigger button up here. Nice little click to it. Then nothing else. I believe somehow, yeah, you just pull this straight off, and that's where your battery will go. Plug that in. There's no charger to it or anything, but that's where you're going to put your little strip right in there for that. But there's literally basically three buttons in one little touchpad area. So now, that's what the front of it looks like. Obviously you can tell that from the box. You got your top, that is your on button. This is your up and down volumes. On the side, you have your headphone jack. I believe, yeah, your headphone jack. Then you have your charging input right here, which is micro USB. On the other side, there is nothing. Then on the inside, let's see here. Grab your phone and let's get started. Download the Oculus app with your mobile headset. So basically there is an app that you download to download all the games for your Oculus headset. Some of the games are free, some of them cost money. All depends on what kind of games you want. Then obviously you have your little protector things here. Peel those puppies off. We don't need those. Then your band here, it's just elastic. Doesn't feel like the greatest. It is soft. It's not like hard material. It's nice soft material. Then you can adjust it. It's all Velcro, top, bottom, and each side. But that's basically all it. There's nothing on the bottom. I believe that's just your microphone or whatever right there on the bottom. But that is basically what you get inside the box. Honestly, first impressions look super, super nice. I really like everything so far that I've seen. But just stay tuned for another video about how it works, if I like it or not, and all that other good stuff that I'll let you know about this thing. And don't be scared to ask questions down in the comments. I'll try to answer them the best I can. But so far, everything I like it. I've watched some videos and other people doing this on YouTube, and like their impressions of it. Most of them say that they like it. It feels comfortable on their head and stuff like that. But I'll let you know in the next videos that I make if it feels comfortable, how long I can wear it. Just to give you a little detail, this doesn't last very long on battery. I think it lasts about like just over 2 hours, like watching video and stuff like that. But I'll definitely let you know through testing and all that to find out exactly how long it lasts. But thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Peace.